You are given this question: evaluate x raised to the power minus 6 times y all over, in bracket, x raised to the power minus 3 square root of y all raised to the power of 2. You're given a question like this. So first thing that you need to know to do is to have your laws governing indices at the tip of your finger. So we now have this. Let's work on this. Let's open few things. Let's open things so that we understand what we are doing. So we have x raised to the power minus 6, y all over x raised to the power minus 3. Then the square root can also be square root of y can also be expressed as y raised to the power 1 over 2. So we now have here y raised to the power 1 over 2 all raised to the power 2. So the first thing we can do here is to work on this bracket. And what kind of law is this? This is what? Product power law. This is product power law. In product power law, if you have AM, BN, all raised to the power of x, this will be equals to AM times x, then BN times x. That's it. So that's what we have to do for the denominator. So we have x raised to the power minus 6y over x raised to the power minus 3 times 2 y raised to the power 1 over 2 times 2. So at this point 2 will cancel out 2. So now here minus 3 times 2 we have 6. So we have x raised to the power minus 6 y over x raised to the power minus 6 y. So at this point you can see everything that we have the same thing up, we also have the same thing down. So actually this will give us what? Equals to 1. But let's just solve it to prove why it is equals to 1. Now this is quotient law. For quotient we have to do what? We subtract their powers. So we take x and then subtract this, the first x raised to the power minus 6, then minus 6 times y raised to the power of 1 minus 1. Remember, this is invisible 1 here, so we have, because y raised to the power 1 is the same thing as y. So from here we now have minus times minus, that is plus. Then we have 6 minus 6 plus 6, that will be 0. Minus 6 plus 6, that is the same thing as saying 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. The same thing, 1 minus 1, so equals to 0. And the zero index law says any number raised to the power of, or variable raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. So therefore we have 1 as our answer. That is it. Subscribe to have a question. Drop the question at the comment section. If you have any comments, drop at the comment section. We would love to see your questions or comments. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more.